Hey there, welcome to my portfolio build on Experience Cloud Salesforce. To begin with, I have the navigation menu at the header. It has home, about me, experience, projects, certifications, and appreciation. Now, if I scroll down, the same menu I have placed in the tile format except for appreciation. Further down, I have put in my Trailblazer profile. The snapshots here is of the badges and the rank. Basically, this is an ongoing journey, and I have a lot to catch up here. Next section is the UX design. I'm taking this Google certification course, and as part of that, I have created this prototype on Figma. I'll give you a quick demo on the same. So, Figma is a famous design tool used in the design community. It is basically where you can create wireframes and prototypes, and all the designers come in and discuss and showcase their skills. So, the case study that I was working on is of a food delivery app wherein it allows you to place a group order. So, basically, suppose if you have to place an order for your team with, say, three colleagues or five colleagues, you can go to this app, click on group order, select the deadline. So, basically, by this time, each one of them should have placed their order on their apps. Select the payment preference, click on save, confirm the order, proceed to pay. Once you've done the payment, your order will be placed successfully. This is also an ongoing work in progress, but so far, whatever I've built, this is a glimpse of that. Right, next up, moving on, I have this contact me section where I have placed each of the links to my social profiles. So first is I've placed my LinkedIn profile. Second is the Trailblazer profile. The snapshots I have already shown you. This is from the same Trailblazer profile. Next, I have the GitHub profile, and the last one is the knowledge upgrade. So basically, I write and review blogs for upgrade, and these are the blogs that I have written so far. All right, moving up, let us go to the navigation, the About Me section. It has a introduction to my journey so far in the corporate world and all the skills and tools and everything that I'm aware of and the roles that I have played. Uh, Everything is placed here. Technical proficiency, basically all the languages, the domains, the tools I'm aware of, I have hands-on experience I have put in here. Next is the experience, all the organizations that I've worked for so far, and my roles and responsibilities in each of them. Next is the project section. This is very interesting. So, I worked on multiple projects on my own, uh, taking learnings from Trailhead and YouTube. This all is built in LWC or Aura. So, the first one is the cryptocurrency. I will put in cryptocurrency name, suppose Bitcoin. It will give me the details of the same. I can try another as Litecoin. So here are the details, view rates. When I click on that, it will fetch me the rates of all the cryptocurrencies available in US dollars. Okay, next is the recipes. I can put in a specific ingredient here, search for it, and get the recipes. So whatever recipes are available with the ingredient as banana will be displayed here. I can click on any one of them and get the full recipe. Now, if I want to search for a random recipe, I'll click on this button, get random recipe, and it will give me some random recipe. Next is the vintage snake game. Now, this is, of course, the famous game from the 90s. Uh, Let me show you quickly. So, here you can see at the start the speed is 1x, and the high score so far is 1. And now, my score is 1, and the length of this is increased. And now, this score is 1.1. I'm using my laptop keys, arrow keys to work on this. Now the speed is increased to 1.2, the score is 2, and high score is now updated to 2. Alright, next is the news section. Here, all the news is displayed. If I click on any one of them and read more, it'll give me the details of the news. Okay, moving on. I have the certifications. So I've put in all my Salesforce certification on so far and my DevOps certification. And this one I got from Splunk for power user. Last is the appreciation section, the awards, the recognition I have received so far. I have put in here in a simple text format. All right, guys. Thank you so much. This is it for my portfolio. I'm open to any kind of feedback. It'll be highly valued. Thank you again.